Total hip replacement. So some diagnostics and conditions leading to a total hip replacement. Many patients present with persistent hip pain, most commonly due to osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, or traumatic arthritis. So osteoarthritis is the wear and tear arthritis that occurs when surrounding cartilage deteriorates and the bones are left to rub against each other, and that causes that hip pain. For rheumatoid arthritis, patients have a chronic inflammation and thickening of the synovial membrane, which produces the hip pain. And for traumatic arthritis, this is usually due to a femoral or acetabular fracture or traumatic injury. Patients will get x-rays or MRIs to evaluate conditions of their bones and surrounding tissue. A total hip replacement is recommended when hip pain or hip stiffness is persistent through day and night, does not subside from medications or physical therapy, have an inability to lift, move, or bear weight on the involved leg, impaired walking ability, and impaired ability to complete everyday activities. Most patients are generally between the ages of 50 to 80 years old. The medical treatment or procedure. So to complete this procedure, the damaged portions of both the femur and acetabular surface are removed and replaced with metal components that mimic the joint before it was damaged. A metal spacer is also utilized and is inserted between the new metal ball and new metal socket to reduce friction in the joint. This procedure takes approximately 1 to 2 hours. How can an OT help a client with a total hip replacement? So on the right there, we have a picture of a total hip replacement kit, and these are just different devices that a client could use after a hip replacement to help them do their daily activities without breaking their hip precautions. Clients can benefit from skilled OT in the areas of bed mobility and sleep positioning, functional transfer training, client education for those hip precautions, adaptive equipment training, dressing and bathing, and sexual activity positioning recommendations. An OT treatment idea for a client with a total hip replacement. One treatment idea for a client with a total hip replacement would be adaptive equipment dressing for lower body dressing. A specific treatment would be the OT will teach the client how to properly don a pair of socks on both sides of the body for lower body dressing. First, we would introduce the client to the sock aid pictured on the right, and next the client would thread the sock onto the sock aid. An important tip: do not position the sock aid between the legs to thread the sock. Step 3, once the sock is threaded, extend the arms using ropes of the sock aid. And step 4, thread over the foot and pull up. Repeat on the other leg. And finally, for the home exercise program, we have a home exercise program with 7 different exercises. So first we have ankle pumps, ankle rotations, buttocks contractions, bed-supported knee bends, abduction exercises, straight leg raises, and quadricep sets. And the first 3 exercises, ankle pumps, ankle rotations, and buttocks contractions, prevent blood clots, and they encourage motion while you're sitting and resting, just to make sure you're not remaining stagnant, to make sure that you're just doing a little bit of activity just to keep your muscles and joints moving. And for exercises 4, 5, 6, and 7, these are a little bit harder, but they're still very easy to do when you're in bed. And just to reinforce movement and prevent being static for long periods of time, just for general strengthening and active range of motion. And those exercises are bed-supported knee bends, abduction exercises, straight leg raises, and quadricep sets. And these are my references.